and the amount of people living defines the population density.
Outclass is here to help. Our world-class teachers come from the best schools of Pakistan. We'll help you cover the syllabus and concepts in a way that you won't forget. Select the chapter you want to revise and you're good to go. Teachers solve hundreds of past paper questions and share tips to ace exams. And if you still have questions, we're only a message away.
Because the next generation wants the schools to come to them.
Because Zoom classes में किसी को मजा नहीं आ रहा.
कहीं भी कभी भी.
Better grades, better test scores, better colleges.
Affordable, accessible education to every kid in Pakistan.
आपके घर, आपकी पहुंच में.
You have to stand out.
You will be ready to ace every exam for any term,
Any student, anytime.
Anywhere.